Let's see. Let's see.
What's this?
Barry's gonna help you open.
I already
Oh, you already? Oh, okay. I didn't. Let's see. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't peek. You're peeking. Don't peek. Don't cheat. If you cheat.
Oh man. All right. Oh, shit, sorry.
The Gator Wash.
Oh my gosh. You like that? Outside. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Say what?
It's a classic game. Whoa.
Oh, it's a whole alligator.
Ooh.
Oh
Oh my gosh.
Wait, look!
So many pieces.
But look! Look! We can build the whole Hot Wheels City!
Hot Wheels City.
Yeah! We can build it!
Look at that. Wow.
We can get all the playsets.
Yeah?
I wish I would get all the playsets.
What's that, Mama?
Yeah, with this like pen or something.
All right, what is that for?
It's for the rent the car.
To rinse the car?
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Piece came out all right. We can fix it. That's okay.
Yeah, but it's only 3 pieces. That's okay. We can watch it with 3 pieces. That's okay. Okay, I don't know what is this good now. Mommy, can we build it together? Can we build it together? Yay!
We can build this together.
Okay, let's build it together. Please. Okay, this goes right here. Does this go here?
It goes this way, like this.
Like that?
Like this.
I don't think so. Well, where does Gator go?
Where does the gator go? I think the gator goes, let's see. It'd be better if we look at the picture. The gator goes right here, I think.
Wait. Look, Mommy, it goes right here. Okay? Okay, so let's see. So, oh, go.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, let's see. All right, so the gator actually goes around here. The tail goes there.
The tail.
Push these little pieces down. Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
I'm okay. What?
And this one.
Yeah.
This piece goes.
Wow.
Oops. Goes in
Amazing.
here.
Okay, so where does this go? Where does this go, Mommy? I'm gonna get all the pieces from Hot Wheels, Mommy. I'll be right back.
You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna get all the pieces from Hot Wheels.
All the pieces? You mean all your tracks?
Yeah. I'm gonna get all of them.
Okay, then we got this piece.
And
This
I
goes here with the gator
Mommy.
over there.
Where does this go?
And then we got another long piece. And this one goes right here. Oh, shoot. And then we got this piece. This one goes here. Does it go this way? No, other way. It's gotta go this way. Then we have. Oh, wait, baby girl. We have this piece. This one goes.
Mommy, wait.
Okay, so this piece goes here.
Wait, I need to go get all the pieces.
And then we got this piece. This one's gonna go, let's see. This goes like this.
Mommy!
Does it go like that? What is it, baby? Oh, no, see, it's got like, it looks like the indentation of the claw there or something, right? Oh, okay, so it goes like this. See, it looks like the claw. So it goes right there. And then we have, oh, he's so excited. We have this big piece. Got this big piece. It's what brings the cars up through the wash.
What?
And this is gonna go, let's see, this side.
Downstairs.
Okay. The curved side. This side is bent. See, it's gonna have to go down in here. And then we have to hook it in the back right there.
And mommy,
Yes, baby.
the box says like this. You see the page? You see it? You see the page?
I see it. Look at that. That looks cool, huh?
Yeah, but we need to make all of these pieces out there where they fit.
All right.
So I don't know where all these pieces go, but I don't know. I don't know where these pieces go, but I don't know. But maybe I need to get some.
Well, we're doing it. We're gonna put it right. We're gonna put it together.
Cold water in here
Then we need this piece. Look.
and hot water in
Then we need this piece.
to go. I don't know where to go.
We need this right here. Is it this one?
Where does this go?
This one goes here. This one goes here. Uh-oh.
That one goes.
In the blue piece. Like this.
I don't know where these pieces go. Mommy, I don't know where these
Here,
pieces go.
push that in. Push that in.
Oh.
Till it snaps. And then we have these pieces here. So this one is gonna go.
I don't know where all these pieces go.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, so we got that on. So now we got this piece. And this piece is gonna go. It's gonna go to the right hand side.
Rio! What did you buy?
And then let's see this piece. This side looks like it goes. Let's do it like this.
I know where all the stuff go, but Daddy, where all
This
the
is
pieces
tricky.
go? On the Gator Wash. Daddy.
Okay, so this is what I was missing. This little blue piece here. I was missing. I was supposed to put this little blue piece here, and then now this side
Mommy,
goes here.
Mommy, can we put hot water in here?
We have to put everything together first, baby.
Oh, all right.
All right. And then what do we do? And then what do we do, Rio?
What?
And then what do we do?
Maybe we could put this piece right. I don't know where should I put this piece.
Well, let's. All right. So now we have to do. Let's see. Where is it? Where'd it go? We have this piece. It's like a C on a stick. And then we have. Did you move it again? No, here it is. We have this orange piece, and this has to go underneath here. Goes there like that. And then this one gets set to the side. Because then we take this piece, this black piece, and it's got the little clips on the side there. Pieces underneath. That's on top of here. Okay, so now we get this piece. We're putting it on right here. And then we have to put the water tower. It's got 4 notches here. Oh, looks pretty cool already.
Yeah, but there's still more pieces.
Yeah, there's still more pieces. Let's get it together. All right, so do what now?
Let's go right here.
This sure does. So we got this
look.
piece. It's like a
Look
little
at that
scrubber.
page.
It's gonna go in this spot and that spot.
Look, Mommy, Dad, look at the
And-
page. Mommy, look.
It'll be here and the edge of this piece there. Then we have this piece. This is gonna go in that little spot down there. Oh, and then it's gonna sit under here and support this little scrubber brush here. Oh, I can't see it. It's gonna go on both sides. Couldn't wait to start putting this Hot Wheels city together. You gonna put together a whole Hot Wheels city?
Yeah.
Oops, I'm sorry. All right, so you already put this piece in here.
Yeah,
And
but
you
Mommy,
know,
I
connects
just broke
underneath here.
this.
You did.
Yeah, but it's okay. We can build later.
You broke what?
That one.
Oh, you mean it's not sitting in there the right way?
No, I can't fail. Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay.
Well, yeah, we'll get it. We'll fix it.
Okay. Mommy?
Fix it. So then now we got.
Yeah, this is like that grandma had it for Christmas.
It is.
Yeah. And we just bring it home, and that's where the box came from. So,
Let's see that piece right there. That one right there. It looks like a seat right here.
where?
That one. Look by your hand. Not that one. We need that one too, though. Actually, I think. But over there, that one.
What? Oh,
This one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good job.
Okay.
So
is
this
that
one is
seat?
gonna go here.
I don't know where these pieces go, Mommy.
Well, that's why we're figuring it out right now.
Okay, but Mommy, so all this the pages where the car get
It's gonna go here.
Mommy,
then.
Mommy,
What is it, baby?
look. Look, Mommy. When you put your car in here, it goes like up and down.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it goes up and down. But anyway, let me put this car out of this wash right here.
And we have this piece. This
Here.
one looks like it's gonna go
There we go.
on this side.
Okay, so it says go right here. And where's this piece
It's
going?
gonna go there. And then we need that piece right there.
You need that piece?
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, I find this piece right here, but trying to figure out where this piece goes.
So we got, let's see.
Oh, it fits here. Okay.
So
Oh.
this one is going to go like that, I think, huh?
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, actually what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put this one back up here. This one came off.
Yeah,
It's gonna
sorry.
go here like that. Let me see this. And then we got this piece here. And this one is gonna go here. Oh, other way around. This side is like that. Whoa, this is looking pretty cool already, huh?
Yeah, pretty.
And then we have, this is like pretty much the last piece right here. It's this piece right here.
Yes.
And see, this kind of matches up with that, you know, the shape of it and everything. So this is gonna go underneath in here. This got little clips there. And we should have one more piece, but he keeps moving everything around. Ryu?
Yeah.
We have one more piece to use, I think.
Yeah, sure. Sure do.
Oh, here it is. Right here. We got this piece right here. And this
where's the
one.
double one?
This one. Let's see, how does this one go? Okay, so this one's got 3 notches in the back. So one should go.
Right somewhere. I don't know where this goes. They go right here.
I don't think it goes there.
I don't think it goes there.
Wait, let's see. Hold on.
I'm sure, but I'm sure it fits. I'm sure it fits. I'm gonna show.
Alright, so I had to take this piece back out. There's like a little circle there. So in the bottom of this track piece is this there. So that's gonna go.
Wait,
It's
where's
gonna
the
slide right in there to that little spot here. And it's gonna click in there.
Oh yeah, now it's.
And click those pieces together. Now we can put that piece back. It's gonna go this way. I'll turn it around this way.
Already done. Oh,
Almost. Mommy's trying. Mommy's trying.
now it's done.
All right, there we go.
Now, Callie, we need to get some warm, hot water in here.
He couldn't wait to attach something else to get a little crock head.
We need to get hot water in here and cold water in here. Mommy, let's go get some. Can we go get some, Mommy?
Some water. All right.
Okay.
And this little cup here goes underneath there. That's to catch all the water.
Mommy?
That's to catch the water when it goes through the wash.
Mommy, we need cold water.
Let's check
in
it
here.
out. Why are you trying to get out of the car so bad?
Because I'm trying to get out.
Why? That's not how you do it. You're making a mess.
Sorry, Mommy. I got my more color here. Sorry. Does this car change color, Mommy?
I don't know.
We'll go find out if this change color. Wait.
No, I don't think so. Oh, you know, we have to go find your other color shifter cars that grandma just got for you. Hang on. All right. Uh-oh.
Sorry. No.
Uh-oh. Went too fast, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to put the hot water out. Now. Okay, now for the race.
Uh-oh, that was just a little too big, huh? A little too tall.
Yeah, but we're gonna drink it. Oh, shoot. Oh,
There he goes.
off the excavator. What? Oh, it broke. Now, oh, the wrong way. Okay. Okay, so go down. Alright, now let's put hot water.
Whoa.
Wait, this had color?
It did.
That was a gray?
It is. That was cool.
Yeah, but I didn't see it. We need to dry this.
You're going the wrong way.
I'm
There you
drying
go.
this.
No, you. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're going back and forth. I see. My bad.
Yeah, sorry, didn't do that. Alright. I think the gator's gonna get me.
Oh, Gator got you.
No, I have to.
Can't save him like that.
Okay. Okay. So this car can't fit here. Only small cars can fit here. Look. See, I told you, but not only big cars. I need to get this out. I think I need to get this out. I'm putting back in. There we go. It fixed. Now, let's park our car here, okay? So this is where the car goes. So there's hot water in there, and there's cold water in there.
What about this one? This one looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know.
That one kind of looks like a gator. That's kind of like a gator looking car.
Yeah, because it's dark green. Oh, see hot water.
Wow, that was cool. That's a cool color.
Shiny color. Whoa, shiny color! Nope. I want cold water. No.
Gotta dry it really good.
Yeah, dry it. So cool. So I need to dry it, Mommy. So this is where we dry it.
Yeah?
Yeah, because this is where you rinse it. And this is where you get the car moist or this is where you put this so get this out so you can see the cold hot water. And I think we can do this one. Oh, Hey, go. Oh,
Oh.
is there cold water down there? Oh, no, give me. Oh, it didn't got me. So this car didn't change. This color. I've never seen this car change color.